Boy, don't you take that plastic off that couch.
It keep getting stuck to my leg.
I don't care. You better get somewhere and sit down for a minute. You go get a switch off that tree.
Okay.
Grandma Wingworm!
Hey, baby. Y'all hungry?
No, not right now.
Oh, I made some cookies. They're right over there on the stove.
Oh, I'm not hungry.
Yes, you are. Go eat the cookies.
I'm not hungry.
Go eat the cookies. You're hungry.
Okay.
Thank you. Eat the cookies.
Ice Trader gang. Ice Trader gang.
Liposuction. Sit down.
Can I have some juice?
No, you can't have no juice. Your mama told me you like the wee-wee in the bed.
Fill my cup up.
No, you know what? I'm about to call your mom so she can come get you. I'm tired of you being in my house.